Hello everyone, this is Lloyd Kim. I would like to continue make the main view. This video shows dialog when you touch card or grid tile. If you click the button, move to next view. It works same even you touch grid tile. Absolutely, the Android platform works same action. Let's see the code. I added the theme color to change button or action bar. Like make orange button or orange action bar. And I made detailed dialog class to show dialog. This class make this one. So first code making image and this text from parameter as well. I added style for title text. And this code to cancel the dialog using navigator, and this lazy button move to page 2 class. So if you touch the button, move this class. This class is really simple, just one text. Then I added some code in original classes. I added explain field in feature follower class. Then I left the gesture detector to make touch the item and pass data instance to class. The main grid list class is similar. I added the explain field and left gesture detector for grid item. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like it. Thank you. Bye bye.